Hello, and welcome to the Glam Room. What's up, y'all? It's Duana, aka Glamzon1026, and welcome back to the Glam Room. Today, we're gonna be doing something different with my hair. I haven't shown my hair on camera in a long time, I don't think, but we are gonna be doing a DIY silk press, at-home silk press for 4C girls. And I did not take my hair out yet, so because I want y'all to wait till the end to see how it came out. Okay, we don't know if it came out good, we don't know if it came out bad. Y'all just gonna have to wait and see. So before you go any further, make sure you click the subscription button so that you can have access to all my content and know exactly when I'm dropping videos. Okay, you don't want to miss it. Stay tuned for the rest of the silk press. Okay. Alright, so 2 weeks ago, I got a silk press, and I was looking at her doing my silk press, and I said, I could do this. I watched 4 YouTube videos, and I said, I could do this, so I'm doing this. As I was doing my silk press research, you need something with silk proteins in it. So I bought this, the Chi Essentials Kit. And basically, it has a shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, and a thermal spray that you use on your hair while you're doing a silk press. I chose between this and the Design Essentials, and this came in a nice little package, so that's why I bought it. Literally. If the Design Essentials came in a nice little package, then I would have bought that one. Also, for the silk press, I have this Infinity Pro Tourmaline, what's it called? Flat Iron by Canon. And I was watching somebody and they said that this is a really good flat iron, and it is a dupe for the Babyless flat iron. So that's why I got it, because it was $40, and I don't want to spend no $100 on no flat iron. I already have a $100 flat iron, so I'm gonna get a $40 one. So the next time you see me, I'll be washed and conditioned, and I'll be putting in the silk infusion so that I can blow dry my hair. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is washed. I use the shampoo and the conditioner from Chi. The shampoo smells good. The conditioner smells like you already got heat in your hair. I don't like that. It smells like a hairdresser, and not in a good way. I just don't appreciate that smell. Like, it was making me nauseous in the shower, but whatever. We're not talking about that right now. So next we're gonna go in with the silk infusion treatment. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? There we go. We're gonna go in with the silk infusion. And I'm just going to twist it right back up into these little nubs. One thing I will say is the conditioner is very thick. Okay, we have like a little, can y'all see that? I don't think y'all can see that, but that's how much we have for the whole section. It feels nice. It feels really nice. It feels great on the hair though. Makes it feel really nice and soft. We'll just do the same thing all around. Tomorrow I'll come back and we'll blow dry it. We'll apply this iron guard and we'll start the pressing portion of the silk press. Okay? Okay, so it is a new dawn. It's a new day. I went to sleep like this. And we're going to blow dry now. So first I'm going to go through with my handheld blow dryer, regular blow dryer, and my Felicia Leatherman comb, and then to get the ends really straight, I'm gonna go in with this blow drying brush, because I know that's important. My hair still feels pretty smooth. Like after we put the silk infusion on, it's still very soft. I appreciate that. So last night when I said I'd probably get the big one of that, I probably will get the big one of that because my hair still feels really good. Not dry or nothing, Jesus. It's still a little bit wet in here, but it's gonna take a lot less time to blow dry now than it would have if I blow dry it wet. Now it's time to use the iron guard. Okay, so that was 7 sprays. Let me put some in the front. 9 sprays. I did 9 sprays. Hopefully that doesn't weigh the hair down, and hopefully it protects against heat damage. I have this flat iron on 390 degrees. That should be hot enough to straighten the hair. So now I'm gonna try to do the chase method. I never do the chase method because it never made sense to me. Not that, like, the idea makes sense, but in my brain I can't see how to do it. So I'm gonna try, okay? And then they said that you gotta use small sections of hair. So I'm gonna try and do that. Let's do it this way. This will be better. See? I can't get it. I don't know. Oh, here we go. Maybe this. Is that it? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm not gonna do the chase method because I can't do it. I don't know how to do it, so I'm just not gonna do it. Anyway, we're gonna go. So instead of chasing, we're just gonna make sure that it's all combed out before we put on the flat iron. So I'm trying my hardest to do the 1-pass method with the flat iron. Some parts I did more than one, but generally I did the 1-pass method. What I really like about this flat iron is that the plates are really wide, so you can take a wide section of hair and not miss anything. Alright, here we go. We're all straight. My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. I want to say this is the first straightening. This is the only straightening. Now we're gonna go in and curl it. I just wanted to do like a little length check because I'm trying to grow my hair 4 more inches. Is that 4 inches? Like that. By the end of the year. Maybe. Okay, so I put on the fan because I am hot. Oh my gosh, I'm hot. Okay, all right, so let's get this going. And now I'm using the same flat iron to give myself some curls. Another thing I like about this flat iron is that the edges are curved, so it's really easy for you to get a nice curl with it without having those like crunchy parts that regular flat irons have. So I like this flat iron a lot. I 100% endorse it. Go buy it if you're looking for a flat iron. Oh, I look like a little girl going to church on Easter with all my curls. Ooh, look at that. We got body, we got movement. I feel good. I feel good about this. Yes, yes, we feel good about this. So now we're gonna wrap it and put saran wrap over it and then sit under my soft bonnet dryer for a little bit, like 10-15 minutes. Hopefully it don't get too hot and I'll sweat this whole thing out. So let's give it a go. Will be back. Okay, y'all. We did our face. It's a little bold, but you know, we're trying something different. We're about to take off the saran wrap. So I had the saran wrap on my hair under the dryer for about 20 minutes. And then I took it off, then I did my face. And so it's been on there for maybe about 50 minutes to an hour right now. So we're just gonna take it out and take it down and see how it looks. And hopefully it's cute. Okay, if it's not cute, I'm still gonna show it. But you know, we'll just see. Okay, all right, here we go. Okay. Alright. It looks really shiny, honestly. So that's good. Ooh. Oh, she's cute. Okay, I can't. Okay, well, let's, comb around. Like, make it look good. Ooh. Alright, alright. How we looking, y'all? Does it look good? I think it looks good. Oh, we still pressed. We still pressed it out, girl. Look, my hands can like go through that. Yes, child. Yes, girl. Mama is still pressing down. Okay, girl. Okay, we got it. I told y'all I could do it. I knew I could do it. Once my hairdresser did it, I was like, I could do that. And not saying that she could, like, I could do it better, but I just know that I have a penchant for hair stuff. So I said, if I give me the right tools and techniques, watch 3 YouTube videos, I could do it. So here we go. I think it's cute. I can go outside like this. I thought I was gonna have to put it in the bun, honestly. But it looks cute. Okay. All right, I see you, girl. I see you. All right, so tell me how you think it did. Tell me if you're gonna try it. I'm gonna leave the products and where I bought them, all the stuff that I used for this in the description box. I can't give you the blow dryer, the Rolly blow dryer, because I bought that at TJ Maxx. But there's a Revlon one that's on Amazon. I'm gonna leave down below. Oh, okay, we did good. Yes, my hair looks nice and thick and full. It's straight. I look like, I don't know. I don't look like Hey Ya. I look like Prince in the I Won't Be Your Lover video. I won't be your lover. Yeah, this is good. Alright guys, so if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you in a few. Thank you.